Hey everyone, I'm Scott with HPR Product Reviews, and this is the Apple MagSafe Duo wireless charger with fast charging capability, Type-C wall charger compatible with iPhone, AirPods, and watch. And the reason I like this is because it is such a small footprint, so it's easy to use in your home and also when you need to take it on the road. The magnet in the charger itself also makes it super easy to verify that your devices are in fact on the charger because it will hold it in place. So let's discuss what's in the box. First, of course, you get the MagSafe Duo charger. You also get a USB-C to Lightning cable. As far as quality is concerned, I've had this for about 2 years now and it looks the same, it works the same. It is high quality, heavy duty, feels sturdy. So this is built to last for a very, very long time. This is a no-brainer. I give it 2 thumbs up. Highly recommend.